even just like coffee with friends. I have a link in Reclaim that I send to my friends. I'm like, sorry, here's my link, you know. I really had been looking for the best way to maximize my calendar because now that our kids are older, they have, you know, so many activities, and it's just more than I anticipated. The fact that Reclaim integrated with both my personal and my business Google Calendar, and was able to sync everything up like in one spot. I was like, this, and also sync with our project management tool was like, I was like, this is amazing. Everyone should use this. The fact that I can have time automatically blocked for me for tasks, that I can put habits into Reclaim and say like, I need to eat every day. Please block time for this and don't let people schedule meetings, right? Having that in there and the fact that Reclaim can move those things around based on when clients or my team book with me is a huge game changer. It enables me to still get all those things done, but it isn't preventing me from doing the things that I need to do to continue to move my business forward. One of the features I love is when I add in, let's say, an appointment, whether it's on my personal calendar or business, and I put that address in there, Reclaim will block that travel time for me. I'm like, this is just beautiful. Knowing that the system is sort of making sure that nothing falls through the cracks is a huge mental load, you know, off my back. The system should serve you, right? Like, we shouldn't be a slave to our systems. And so you have to find out which systems and productivity hacks will work for you. There's no one right way, right? Be willing to put that work in up front so that you can experience the benefits on the back end.
That's the best answer I've heard so far.
Oh,
100%. Mic drop. Amazing.